Zayo ukurayo kenta o Nigeria ahingi hage katyokia nekpa government ushintine aneyaye iselu baaki mbashoja kita o Nigeria ma ta wasi Benue pa uluke mom kilo state mbane ne kashatyokia ne Ucuan baki soja viedzende vinyo hita Benue ma shimba vanya mbane ne vivalusha hemen o Major General Terungwa Utsaha ve o kotomna Major General Shaibu manu Ucuan bagen pishi vivanyo hita Benue ma velu yenge ave kuaji ado uave baaki ne he ma chive viedzende vinyo kle gayo vika hi te wasi Prof Tiv HRM Professor James Ortese Iorzua Ayatse Sike nana to sungwa ne hizomba vanya simbane.
I bring you goodwill from the Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General W. Shaibu, Nigerian Army Mother, who is your son and a friend, and his message following the presidential proclamation of expansion of the Nigerian Army from 8 divisions to 12 division structure in the order of battle. Benue State was designated to play host to 5 divisions of the Nigerian Army, covering Benue, Nasarawa, and Kogi States. The other 3 divisions were 9 divisions with headquarters in Ilorin, Kwara State to cover Kwara and Niger, and 10 divisions to the headquarters in Jalingo to cover Adamawa and Taraba, and 83 divisions headquarters in Benin to cover Edo, Delta, and Bayelsa. So following this proclamation, we came on ground as directed by your son, the Chief of Army Staff, to facilitate the operationalization of this division. And as you know, the division comes with brigades, battalions, and other sub-units. And as a paramount ruler, very important one at that, in the country, it is just important that we come and pay homage to you and seek your blessings, particularly that Boko is designated to play host to 11 Brigade of the Nigerian Army. We came in on Tuesday and we were received very warmly by His Excellency the Executive Governor, giving the message of the Chief of Army Staff, and he engaged with the local authorities to receive us wherever we go. And I want to report to you, Your Majesty, that all the places we have so far visited, we have been warmly received. Yesterday we crossed the River Benue Aburuku. We went to Aini, from Aini we went to Ayilamo. We came back to Uba. From Uba we went to Zakiba. Zakiba we went to Chita. Chita we went to Ate. We came out through Wase, came back to Kasana. We got to Makudi 3 a.m. this morning. And we are coming now from Jatuaka. And we had to stop over at IPAB in Yande there to also have a feel of where the brigade's permanent location is designated. I want to thank you for your fatherly role. All the traditional rulers and institutions that we have met have been very, very receptive to us. I want to particularly pay homage to the President Commander-in-Chief for approving this expansion, as it will in no way enhance national security and of course the operational effectiveness of the Nigerian Army. I know we have problems, and the President is a listening President, and this strategic decision is one that will stand to solve 99% of some of these insecurity challenges that we're having. So, I want to once again thank you, and I have extracted a commitment on behalf of the Nigerian Army to all local communities that the Nigerian Army is not an occupation army. We go by the rules, and that where we have a bad egg, or there are all mechanisms in place to deal with such issues, and Nigerian Army does not hesitate in dealing with matters of discipline. So, essentially, Your Majesty, that is why we're here in the state. Tomorrow we're supposed to be proceeding to Ucuan, Agatu, and probably Ogbadi. We're going to be doing the same thing. And unfortunately, I tried to inquire about His Majesty the Ochidoma. I understand he has traveled out. But as the father of the state, may please convey our sincere appreciation to him when he comes back. As we're here, we have another sub-team that is dealing with the same issue in 9th Division, going to Kwara and Niger. And we also have another team that is doing the same thing in Adamawa and Taraba. For the Edo, Delta, and Bayelsa, that will be done subsequently. But these 3 divisions are the ones that must come to fruition by 1st of September. That is why the urgency. So we have looked at areas that we think that will site some of these units under the brigade and the division, and will bring about close those gaps of insecurity to allow us to sleep with our 2 eyes closed, but to wake up the next morning. And we are going to debrief His Excellency so that we'll have some of those permanent structures given to us so that the proper development of the barrack facilities and other amenities would commence. In the interim, Your Majesty, because as a newborn baby, you must suckle, learn how to sit, crawl before you start walking. So we'll be requiring temporary facilities, particularly for the first set of officers and men who will be coming in. Office accommodation and accommodation for living quarters for both the officers and men before the barracks is fully developed. So we'll be counting on your wise counsel as the father of the nation to support us in this drive. So once again, Your Majesty, thank you very much for this very warm reception, and I once again apologize for not keeping to the time. It was due to some factors beyond our own control. Thank you so much, Your Majesty. Your son, Major General Terungwa Utsaha, Your Majesty.
Tor Tiv ityôkyaa vanyane yo awo sima kwa hi vanyane akana hae.
Well, let me start by thanking God for keeping all of us alive, and for the very powerful delegation for the journey messages and safety from Army headquarters and everywhere you have gone. You have enjoyed journey messages. We thank God for that. Let me warmly welcome this very strong delegation led by my son, Major General Utsaha, to the palace, and I want to appreciate you for creating time in your very busy schedule to pay a courtesy call on me. I want to appreciate you for the sacrifice of coming to do the needful. Very often when decisions are taken at the top, the implementation, the operationalization of those decisions are where the headache is. And you have taken this very difficult assignment. Of course, you are professionals, tested and proved, and you've been committed to do this assignment. We know and we are confident that at the end of it, those recommendations that will guide the operation, which we put forward, will be for the benefit of our people. We want to thank you for this work well done. I know you have interacted with the governor of Benue State and chief security officer of the state. Briefed him fully, and you've also taken his positions and commitments on this assignment. I want to, on behalf of the traditional institution in the state, to tell you how warmly we have received this news. We know that it's a clear indication that the President and the Chief of Army Staff are aware of our challenges here. I'm bringing this good news, and especially from what I've heard about where the different units will be strategically positioned, it tells me you understand our challenges. We're happy with all that is being done, and we assure you that we are going to take ownership of whatever you have given us. We give the full support that is required. We cooperate. Whatever needs to be done, I want to assure you that we will support the government of Benue State to ensure that the division that is located here takes off very well and remains outstanding in carrying out its professional duties. We do know that the general insecurity in this country is a problem that has bothered everyone. And the Nigerian army has played very significant roles. And this expansion that has given room for the further spread to be able to man the population of Nigeria is very welcome. We are very happy. I have my son here who has been discovered the states under Operation Wise. And we're happy with what he has done. And asking him to take charge of the 5th Division located in Begha, I think is very welcome. We believe that he will continue the good work he has been doing, and we will continue to give him whatever support that he needs with his officers and men to ensure that the assignment and the purpose for which the division is being established and located in Benue State is achieved. We know there are often teaching problems to start anything. We will encourage you and appeal to be patient with us. Even as the governor and people of Benue State do everything to ensure that the takeoff is smooth. If there are a few hiccups, be patient with us. The commitment and the passion is there. It's like something we have long awaited. It's coming now. And we believe that this is a practical demonstration. And the enemies out there will also know that we mean business. The government means business. And I know that with our support here and with determination of your men and officers, the narrative around Benue and the relevant states covered by the Delegation will become a thing of the past. Thank you very much.
Kane mashin maduwe shazo Major General Shaibu asu Tor Tiv kwa Tiv chi shongo hove tsembele shio viva zandineyo shachu Tiv television ya ka tefa ondaka alova nem kane mai zane hemen unegen shi donu Tiv television nizuwa Tiv television sha humbe sha Facebook nizuwa visi sha TikTok sha Instagram kwa YouTube pa lune dodo sa shi ogene
tyôôr